Hi, I'm Robin Paulson. I'm the instructor for Math 55, and I'm right now on the course homepage for this class. So this is where all the interaction is really. You'll see what's due, you'll see news in the course news, meaning if I have something to announce, that's where I type it, and I usually put something there like once or twice a week, so it's important to come back to the home page and visit. So the overall view of this front page is here's the section on information for your homework, and then as you scroll down you'll have a weekly to-do list. This is full of online math supports that are outside of this course, and then there's on-campus supports, so information about departments on this campus that can support you. Okay, and then over here is a calendar, and I just fill out the calendar with all the due dates from the syllabus. Alright, so that's sort of an overview of the front page. Where you're going to be really working from all the time, but if you go to this content menu, that's where you'll see in the table of contents how it's all listed out per week. The only thing that's a little different is right here, start here, the course introduction piece happens only the first week. And I'm going to click on this like that. And what that does is it opens up this section and shows me each piece. This is discussion, that's what you see here to the right. Syllabus, then you see there. Introduction quiz, you're going to see that here. And when it opens these sections up more, you'll see the details. So for example, this introduction quiz is the course quiz. So when you pull this up, you're going to be able to answer questions because I'm going to go through each answer in this video from this course quiz down here. Here's the course quiz. So how do you do this? You click on it, and what that does is bring up the course quiz that you can read. However, you can't type on this portion. You have to go down here and download it. If you don't have Word, or if you're having any troubles opening this on another platform that you can type on, then you don't have to type on it. You can type on a separate document and just turn the answers in on the Dropbox. So anyway, once I open this document, of course it's a Word doc so I can type on it. Once you've typed on it, you can save it, and then you'll be able to drop it in this drop. I'm going to go to introduction quizzes through the breadcrumbs here. And when I click there, it just takes me back to where I was on the content. Introduction quizzes. And right here, this funny little picture is a symbol for a Dropbox. And you can click on that and you'll be able to drop the completed quiz into the Dropbox. When you click there, it will look like this, and you'll see that you can upload your course quiz right there when it's completed. And it says add a file, so you add it, upload. When you hit upload, then you can choose the file, double click on it, it uploads, and you add, and there it is. And then you can write any comments in that you would like, but don't forget to hit submit, and you will be done with that process. Okay, so let's get started with the quiz. Question 1 is, where are at least 2 ways you could receive instruction for your assignments, and where is this located on the web page? Okay, what that means is, in other words, if you're going to do some math problems, how does somebody teach you so you can do them? Just like in a classroom, you're not going to lecture, so you need to find your instruction. And the instruction for the assignments is going to be under content, and that's pretty much exclusively where it is. Under here, if we go to week 1, there's these 5 sections, and there's 5 sections because the first 3 are really just review, and some people will do it very quickly. If you have to learn this for the first time, you're going to feel like you're doing a lot, and I apologize, but I thought it was better to put it there than to not have it there at all. Okay, so, and you'll see these choices. You watch a video for your instruction, or you can watch a PowerPoint for instruction. So those are 2 ways you can receive instruction for an assignment. All right, now if we look at the next question, where are 3 locations in this course to find what is assigned each week? So obviously, to find out what's assigned, you can look under the content, and it's under table of contents, and pick a week, and you can see what's assigned. Other 2 locations are on the, I clicked right here at the top to get back to the front page, and you can look at a to-do list. I give you a quick overview of what's due, or you can look on the calendar. What's due comes up according to what day it is. So these disappear as that day goes by. All right, so then number 3, what are other important assignments do you do in this course on a regular basis besides just the homework? So we're not just doing homework. There's 2 other things that we do, and those are discussions and quizzes. Quizzes are really good ways to sort of practice. Do you know what you're doing? That kind of thing. And discussion is just a little bit of a, it's an easy thing. They're one question, and it just sort of gives you an opportunity to explain a little bit about what you know about a given topic. Okay, so then number 4 is what are test reviews and how will you complete them in this course? Okay, test reviews are given as a quiz, but really what they are is like little practice tests. And I try to give you as many attempts as is reasonable. If you need more attempts, just ask me though, because really, I mean, don't abuse it and just figure out, well, what's the answer? If I have more than 4 attempts, then I can figure out whether the answer is A, B, C, or D, because a lot of them are multiple choice. Try not to use it that way. Try to really work the problems because it'll help you be prepared to take a test. Okay, so then number 5 is list all the items that have to be dropped in the Dropbox by January 24th. So if you go up here to this front menu and go to Dropbox, then it shows 2 things, and the only 2 things that are due January 24th and that will ever be dropped in the Dropbox are the introduction quizzes, and one of them we're doing now, and then the syllabus quiz. Okay, so then 6, where is this, in this course, can you always find a copy of the syllabus? Go to content, and once you click there, and you'll see under start here, course introduction, you'll see this list, and there's the syllabus. So you click on the syllabus, and it'll come up here on the right. And of course, you have to download it. It's a PDF. All right, so number 7, what are you required to buy to complete the My Math Lab homework? All right, do you need a textbook? You don't need to buy the textbook for this course. You just need the course code. But you have to buy the code to get into My Math Labs, and then once you're into My Math Labs, it'll ask you for the instructor code, which is listed on this registration instruction sheet right here that you can click on, and when you do that, that gives you all the information you need to sign up for my class on Pearson. So it's sort of an outside homework platform. You can't do the homework on this web page. You have to actually go to Pearson. But I have a link to Pearson, My Math Labs, both on the front page and in the content. I have another link always available to you. And number 8, will free online tutoring outside of the instructor be available for this course? If so, what is this called? Yes, free online tutoring is available, and I'm on the home page for the course, but if I click here to My Home, that's the home page for all your D2L courses. But right here, Brain Fuse, you click on this, and it's sort of a self-explanatory how to sign up for it, and you can ask math questions. All right, so I'm going to click back to our home page. And number 9, is it possible to set up an appointment with the instructor to work over the internet? And what are the steps required to make this happen? Okay, so you can, of course, do that. I prefer to meet on campus on Saturday mornings in person, but if it's really just too much trouble to get to the campus, there is WebEx or Zoom I can use. Zoom is better. I have to experiment with that. But I understand that it's pretty easy to use. You can Google that, and you can actually request a meeting through Zoom. When I use WebEx, I'm the only person who can send you a link to a meeting. Anyway, there is a way, and that's through these online platforms. One is Zoom and one is WebEx. All right, so number 10, where do you find the ongoing grade for this course? Of course, you go to this top menu and you click on grades. And this is what you'll see. I've really listed every single detail of what's assigned. It looks pretty frightening, but most of these things are designed not to be long. I tried to make your assignments all less than 20 questions, preferably less than 15. Number 11, choose a link to an outside math support webpage. Look for this on the course homepage. Which link do you look at, and do you think you would use this as outside support? So let's go back to our homepage. And for these last two questions, I'm going to cover them in this answer. So online math supports are here, and there are links to outside teaching. Khan Academy, and most people are familiar with. Math is Power for You. We use some of these videos already. I kind of already refer you to Prof. Rob Bob within the content. He's great, but sometimes it's hard to find the right video to look at for him. If you need some help, just email me. Symbol Lab is interesting. I'm going to click on Symbol Lab. And what you can do with this website, it's totally free, and you enter a problem literally as it's written. So if you need an x squared, you hit that, you do x, so you go 2, and then hit this x squared, and it'll let you square that 2. Or if you type an x, let's delete that, and we go 2x, click on that squared, and you need to look at polynomials. If you want to build a polynomial and see how it solves it, I'm really not sure. I've never tried it with a polynomial. I've used it for calculus. So see what you can do with this and see how that might work for you. All right. And for the last question, down here, there's on-campus supports. And what I'm asking you to do is take a look at Wise Women Intentional, it's supposed to say intentional, about success in education, or UMI, which is Urban Male Initiative. And these are two organizations on campus. They're specialty organizations that really try to help support you as a student if you feel disconnected. And it's really a way to stay involved, and they'll help you find supports. They can even help you find a tutor. They have hired tutors in the past. I don't know if they always do or not. Okay, so I think that covers my course quiz, and I don't want this to go on and on. So welcome to the class. If you have questions, use D2L email to contact with me, or you can use the CCD email. I'll respond to either one, but email is really best.